was our Wendy's sign. Cars. Windows are out of the cars. We had a gas station that sat on the corner here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's completely gone. There's nothing left. See it? It's leveled. Mangled like it wasn't even there. Left the bushes on the car wash. We have spoons thrown out here on the road from Wendy's. And you see how far Wendy's is. And here's the spoons. See, trees are topped out. Power lines all down, destruction everywhere. And here is the roof of Wendy's. Step back so you can see it. This is what's left of the roof of Wendy's.
That might not be Wendy's.
Or then again, it may not be Wendy's, but
it
might be something else. It's kind of mangled, so we don't know really. And as you see, we have help from everywhere. This is Lafayette Police going by here. Across the street. More destruction. Looks like something, some kind of freezer or something thrown from across the road. Andy, shut up. These are more cups from Wendy's. As you see. There's an idea. All this destruction. Cups, lids, just thrown. I mean, literally. Look. Wendy's is there. Cups are here. See what I mean? It's really bad. Tree. Let me come out some. This is just crazy. I mean, literally. Stuff is just tousled everywhere. Destruction everywhere. Complete destruction. You know, how in the world could our city go through this? Dude, I got this. It's so bad. I mean, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the whole inside of the store is just literally ripped out and thrown on the floor. All the wiring and everything is just hanging down from the store. There's nothing left. I mean, there's literally, the doors are just folded down completely. It's so bad. This is ridiculous. You can see. This is horrible. These are signs and a pole literally bent at the center of the pole from the tornado. Ringold, April 27th, 2011. Look at all the destruction. It has left us completely cityless. Tractor trailers flipped like they're just pieces of paper. Nothing survived it. All the destruction. Look at the tire. Look at the wheels literally knocked off this 18-wheeler. See it? These are wheels completely uplifted off of the 18-wheeler. Look how it's just twisted, mangled. The power line's down. Signs just thrown everywhere. Here you go. Here's our other interstate sign. Look down there, Andy. See it? It's just tousled like paper.